Hey, Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdullah. I try, inshallah, God willing, to share with you some of the things that I do to fix my stuff. I like to fix my stuff myself. So this lawn mower, it stopped working. It's working, but when you move, it keep stopping. So of course, I figured out that this blade got bent. It got bent out. So once it rolls, it stops. So Alhamdulillah, thank God, I found a very easy way to straighten it. You get something like this axe, and I just put it in like this. You're gonna put your foot and straighten like this. Of course, you be very careful. So I already did, then I remember to make this video for you, and it's now good, working, and very well. So you don't have to go and buy a new blade or just sell your mower, especially if it's a good mower. That's great. See you, inshallah, God willing. If I need to fix something else, hopefully not, because I have no time, but that's good. See you. Salam. Hello, salam. Salam.